Okay, in this video we're going to learn how to make chicken on a stick. Go ahead, my friend. First you're gonna have
2 onion,
2 onions,
2 pickles,
2 pickles,
1 piece of tender, whole,
1 whole piece of tender, the whole piece. So you're gonna put it all the way through. There you go.
2 more onion again,
2 more onion again,
2 more pickle,
2 more pickle,
1 more whole piece of tender,
1 more whole piece of tender,
and then pickle,
then pickle, 1 pickle,
2
2
pickles,
pickles.
doesn't matter.
and 2 onions again.
Then straight a little bit longer, so
Yes.
it looks bigger.
Looks bigger.
Alright, breading
You want
first flour,
First, ready.
then breading
Dip it.
powder.
Dip it real good. Ready it again.
One more time.
One more time.
Cook it like 5 minutes.
And we're gonna put it
5 minutes.
We're going to put it in the fire for 5 minutes, and then we're going to go right here, set our timer up for 5 minutes. That's it.